Gainesville's warm, humid climate can make keeping your home cool an expensive challenge, especially during Florida's long summers. While many homeowners focus on HVAC upgrades or insulation, one of the most impactful improvements you can make is installing energy-efficient windows. These modern windows are designed to keep hot, humid air out and cool, conditioned air in, leading to more consistent indoor comfort and significant savings on utility bills. Whether you're renovating an older home or building a new one, energy-efficient windows are a smart investment in Gainesville's subtropical environment. Why windows matter in energy efficiency? Windows are one of the biggest sources of heat gain and loss in any home. In Gainesville's humid climate, sunlight and high moisture levels can easily penetrate older or poorly insulated windows, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder and run longer. Over time, this not only increases your electric bills, but also reduces the lifespan of your HVAC system. Energy-efficient windows act as a barrier between your indoor environment and the outdoor elements. They're engineered to block heat, reduce UV rays, and minimize air leakage, all while letting in natural light. Key features of energy-efficient windows. If you're exploring window replacement in Gainesville, it's important to understand what makes a window truly energy efficient. Low E glass coatings. Low emissivity. Low E coatings reflect heat away from your home without compromising visible light. This helps keep your interior cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Multiple panes with gas fills. Double or triple pane windows include insulating layers of gas, typically argon or krypton, between glass panels. These layers prevent heat transfer and help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Durable, insulated frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames provide better thermal resistance than traditional aluminum. These materials are also more resistant to moisture, a major factor in Gainesville's damp conditions. Tight seals and weather stripping. Advanced sealing techniques prevent drafts, leaks, and condensation, ensuring that your cool air stays inside where it belongs. Lowering utility bills in Gainesville. Home. Energy-efficient windows can cut your cooling costs by 20 to 30%, depending on the condition of your existing windows. In Gainesville, where air conditioners often run for most of the year, this translates to hundreds of dollars in annual savings. By maintaining a more stable indoor temperature, energy-efficient windows reduce your reliance on the thermostat. Less frequent cycling means less wear and tear on your HVAC system and fewer surprise repairs or replacements. Additional benefits beyond cost saving. While lower utility bills are a major draw, energy-efficient windows offer several additional advantages for Gainesville homeowners. Improved indoor comfort. Say goodbye to hot spots near windows or temperature fluctuations between rooms. UV protection. Protect flooring, furniture, and artwork from fading caused by harsh sunlight. Reduced humidity. Better sealing prevents outside moisture from seeping in, which is especially beneficial in Gainesville's humid environment. Noise reduction. Multi-pane glass and insulated frames help block outside noise for a quieter living space. Environmental impact. Lower energy use means a smaller carbon footprint, good for both your wallet and the planet. Is it time to replace your windows? You don't have to wait for your windows to break to benefit from an upgrade. Consider replacing your windows if they are more than 15 years old. Do you feel drafts or notice moisture between panes? Your energy bills keep rising despite HVAC maintenance. Your home feels hot even with the AC running. Professional window replacement in Gainesville not only enhances efficiency but also modernizes your home's look and improves resale value. Final thought. In a hot and humid city like Gainesville, energy-efficient windows are more than a luxury, they're a necessity. They help maintain indoor comfort, reduce monthly utility costs, and make your home more sustainable. If you're ready to upgrade your windows and enjoy year-round savings and comfort, contact a trusted Gainesville window replacement specialist. They can help you choose the right styles and materials to fit your home and your budget, so you can stay cool, dry, and energy smart.